Life, the miracle that happens every second. Mother, I wish the world will be like your womb, full of love, comfort, and peace. The day I was born, I was blessed with the two most precious things. The warmth of my mom's lap and the security of my daddy's presence. Happiness, I understood the meaning of this word when I first saw you two around me. When I laugh, I see your face glowing, Mama. When I fall, I see the pain showing, Mama. I wish things to stay this way forever.
What are you accusing me of? What are you accusing me of? Why don't you say it to my face?
What are you talking about?
Why didn't you ever think about my problems?
Just lower your voice.
Lower my voice?
You said you wouldn't yell in front of the baby.
Baby. It's always the baby. What about me? I live here too. This is my house too. I work very, very hard.
I have a question. Why do all good things come to an end? Why? My fairy tale life gets an early twist. My heroes became my villains. Please tell me if it's my fault. And now, as my parents have separated, I may have a house with empty rooms but not a home. Seven days of the week, I pile a list of things for the weekend to tell them to my dad. And courthouse feels like a prison. My fate, my life gets decided in these suffocating rooms. How lucky are my friends who enjoy the luxury of having their parents under one roof. God, please take all of my toys and winds and witches, throw them into some deep ocean, but grant me this last wish, and I promise I will ask no more. Please bring them back together.
Was it my fault that it ended so early?
Is there any hope that we can be a family again?
How many years will it take to heal this wound?
Did you guys ever love each other? Or were you just faking it because of me?
Will I share the same fate?